Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Miss CC. For 2019, I thought that I would actually show you my day to night transformation. You guys that are new, thank you for joining. I do have an 8 to 5 job, and I know it's kind of hard coming home, taking a bath, getting ready, and then going out, especially when it's cold out. Child vibes. Sometimes, yeah, I will, but if it's really cold outside, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just at my ass in the house, alright? But just a quick transformation for you guys, so you know exactly how and what products you should use in order to transfer from your day to your night look. If I want to make sure that my makeup is secure throughout the day, and if I don't have time to just change up and do a whole full face, girl, yes, let's just use the primer. So I will actually put a primer on, and then I'll go with my foundation routine. After my foundation routine, yes, I just do my concealer. I'll do some powders, make sure everything is matted down because I am combo skin. My oilies come out sometimes during the day, and that's just what I do not like. Depending on my foundation, I will actually set it good, or I won't set it a lot. Now, if I have a matte foundation, I'll just set just my under eye area and don't worry about setting my face. But like I said, if I don't have time to come home, if I know I'm gonna go out that night and I just need to do something for the day, honey, let's just set the whole face and be done with it. I will actually won't contour with a cream contour for the day. Sometimes I will. It depends on what kind of mood I'm in, because I'm just like this. During the day, I just want to be comfortable and pretty. So I just bronze up my face, put my blush on. I do some colors on the eyes, just something really sleek and comfortable, or something daytime wear. So it's a washer color and a lid color, some kind of shimmer. It's not a lot, just something not heavy at all. For my lips, I would just go with my lip gloss, maybe some clear or just nice nude color for the lip gloss. Little blush. Do my mascara, my eyebrows, you know, I keep those done. So when I come home after my day, if my oils is not popping out as bad, I wouldn't even touch up. Sometimes I won't. What I'll do is I just, like I would if I'm setting it again after all I put on, I'll spray me some spray on there, put a little powder down, make sure everything is concealed. Again, that's when I'll start my transformation. Now, I know a lot of people are saying, girl, you don't take your makeup off and do it over. I mean, really, I don't. I'm just going to keep it real with y'all. I don't recommend y'all to do that. I'll just sit down. Actually, I will wash one of my arms, you know, because I know I'm not going to wash my whole body and go out in that damn cold 20 damn degree weather. Hell no. And then what I'll do, make sure the edges is like at least tameable, you know, so where you look a little bit ready for the party, you know. So I chisel out the cheeks a little more with a deeper contour. A little cool when it comes to contouring. I make sure that the cheekbone area here is reversed by putting whatever concealer that I had on that sponge, which I would probably go damp it or just spray a little bit of, you know, just a little product, kind of, you know, wet. So with the eyes, I actually deepen out my crease area with a deeper shade. I actually go with a darker shade that I did for the beginning of the day of my daytime look, and just deepen out the crease in the outer corner. For the lid area, I'll pop like some brighter colors on top of my lid color. If whatever lid color I already have on, girl, I just add to the program. Alright, I try not to use liner during the day because I don't like it spreading or bleeding. You know, during the day, 8 hours, I'm not just going to check on no liner. But if I'm going out, girl, and it's going to be already dark, I mean, you know. So I deepen out my lash line by putting some kind of liner on top of my lash line. And then whatever shade that I have on the bottom, even though I have mascara, I make sure I get me a nice pencil brush and put some of that shade down at the bottom and I deepen out the crease with. So after I finish that on my lashes, I want some lashes that are thick but very wispy, full, you know, put together. Honey, I try to get the most nice dramatic lashes that I can find in a stash. My real lashes are already long as well. They sit on top of my real lashes. The lash line will be thick and black. If I feel like I need to add more mascara, I will, because if I add more shadows on top, some of those shadows will drop on my lashes and stick to the mascara that I already applied. Now for my lip shade, like I said, I go darker on the shade just as I would with my eye crease. But the texture of the lips have to be matte for me, because I know a matte liquid lipstick is going to last way longer than a lip gloss. If it's too matte, I just pop a little lip gloss on top of it. I try to keep it same brand when it comes to liquid or lip gloss. it complements each other to where it won't stick and it won't be as gooky. So highlight gotta be popping. Whatever highlight I have on top of my face, I'll try to go in with a little bit more of lighter shade, not too far apart from it, because you know once you go lighter, sometimes it pulls ashy. Then I'll spray as I normally would. You know, sometimes I spray before I put the eyelash on, or you know, just whenever, but I'll make sure I spray my face once again. So it's simple as doing it within minutes to transforming from day to night. But of course, you know, you change your clothes, you know, like I said, but further than that, everything is everything, and we're ready to go. But make sure you leave your questions, comments, and thoughts down below. Let me know how you transform from your day to night. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, make sure you do by hitting the subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you can get my newest uploaded videos whenever I do upload. Keep on being you, baby, for 2019. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me the thumbs up. And guys, until next time, see you later. Bye.